I'm a money making, no cap, ayy. Hot as house, but you already knew that. Even if I brought them to you, still couldn't get your boo back, ayy. I'm saying, put your hands on your
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Mika, and we back with another freaking video. So today's video will be on large knotless braids. I have a client on the way. She's getting the color number 4, and she's doing large waist length. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, y'all, so let's get into it. Like I said, we are doing large braids. For my waist length, I do use the 52-inch Expressions braiding hair. So yeah, rule of thumb, when you are, okay, so let me just tell y'all the number one rule when you are prepping hair. If you're doing large braids, do medium pieces. If you're doing medium braids, do small pieces. Doing small braids, do extra small pieces. Like, that way you are able to feed in the hair and the braids do not get too heavy. The braid doesn't get too thick, okay? So, since we are doing large, I'm going to take like medium pieces, which is like that much. Boom. Let me lower this so y'all can see. And just pretty much keep rolling with it. Now for my large braids, I like to do 3 to 4 rows at the top, 1 or 2 rows in the back. From ear to ear in the back, that's considered my back section. I will show y'all once we get further into this installation. I don't know if y'all noticed, I also have a new way of loading this rack. Can't really tell because I'm doing large braids, so it's not as many pieces that I'm adding to the rack. But as you can see, before I used to do 1 and then over every 2 and then over every 3. Now I just do 1 and then 2 and then just keep doing 2. And it allows you to fit 1 bundle of hair on each row. So that's the way I do that. Even when I'm doing mediums, like smaller pieces and stuff, it'd be a lot of hair on there, and it's like really like 4 layers of hair. I do have another video that I posted with the brown sugar color mix. That was a set of medium braids. If y'all want to go on there and pretty much just see how I showed how I prepped the hair and stuff on there as well. So I know a few of y'all been asking, how do you know like what size to prep the hair and all that for each size braid? So I'm putting out a few different videos for y'all this week. I need y'all to watch all the videos all the way through so that y'all can learn and see what works for me.